Kia ora, good morning, happy Friday. I am Mike from Markets. Yeah, it's very windy here today. I don't know if you can hear the wind on the microphone thing. I can certainly hear it bouncing around the room. It doesn't matter. This is Kiwibank Markets in a minute. I'm Mike from Markets. Yeah, intro done. Right, there was a fair bit going on overnight. Front and centre, coronavirus headlines again. They're everywhere, so I probably don't need to rehash them here, but among the more notable, Russia effectively closed its border with China, and we had word of the first person-to-person infection in the US. Yeah, we'll link to some stuff below. Communicable infections, they're not really our bag, but market reactions are, and the market reaction overnight was, by and large, risk off. Yeah, so we'll crack into some numbers, but before then, there were a few other drivers overnight. They were of the economic data and economic event variety, basically boiling down to the Bank of England holding base interest rates steady. As far as market expectations were concerned going in, it was pretty much a line ball call. So whatever the BOE did, there was going to be some sort of reaction. And reaction there was. We'll come to that. And over in the US, GDP, that came in at 2.1%, as expected. Business, investment, and inflation data, though, they were a little off the boil. So in terms of supporting risk asset prices, they didn't. Yeah, not a lot of love there. So, global equity markets, they are lower. Getting close to 1% declines for the US overnight, a little over 1% for European indices. Government bond yields also lower, so risk-off switcheroo, basically. So sell risky stocks, declining demand, declining price, buy up safe haven bonds, increasing demand, increasing price. And as bond prices go up, their effective yield goes down. Maths is fun. Yeah, that's it in a nutshell. Those risk-off or risk-switching, I guess, themes, they were also evident in commodities, gold higher, oil lower, currencies, yen higher, and Antipodean currencies lower. The Kiwi, that tumbled through the 65-cent line in the sand that we talked about yesterday. 64.83, that was the overnight low, and pretty much where we are now. The pound, that was a bit of an exception to the risk-off rule. It surged on that BOE action, or lack of action, I guess. And that sent the Kiwi pound plunging to the mid-49s, lowest level since mid-December. Yeah. Right, that's what happened. Some of what happened, I guess. Today we'll continue watching coronavirus headlines on the newswires. The newswires, that's that box there with the pink text. It doesn't have to be pink, I just like pink. Yeah. We've also got some Chinese manufacturing data this afternoon, and yeah, US inflation numbers tonight. Right, done and dusted for another week. I mean, apart from the fact that we still have today, but yeah, have a happy Friday. Have a happy weekend. Ka kite.